Today I am going to make Padam vevichadu in the microwave. Padam vevichadu means boiled plantains. It is a delicacy in Kerala. Padam vevichadu means Padam plantain, vevichadu means boiled. It is to be differentiated from Padam porichadu. That is also made from the same plantain, but it is deep fried. The plantain is cut into pieces and deep fried. This is how Padam vevichadu looks. Chunks of plantain or Nendram Padam. It has been cooked in the microwave at full power. Steamed bananas, they are a delicacy and are served as a dessert or at the beginning of a meal called a sadhya. You can find it in railway stations all over Kerala, and it's a great delicacy. So it is made from a particular kind of banana called Nendram Padam. These are long bananas, and these are the same bananas used to make banana chips. But these are ripe ones, can be eaten for breakfast, and it is loved by children. So I'm going to make this. Normally it is made by steaming bananas in an oven or a pressure cooker. I'm going to cook it in a microwave. So to do that, cut off the ends and cut it into small pieces and microwave the whole, and finally remove the peel. Cut the tips. Chop the banana into cylindrical lengths of about 2 inches each. This should be sufficiently sweet. If it turns out that it is not sweet and children refuse to eat it, then you can add a little bit more sugar. But for adults, this should be sufficiently sweet. We have the bananas ready, and I'm going to place it in the microwave safe bowl now. You can add a little bit of water to steam it. Now I'm going to place it in the microwave. This is a Wi-Fi microwave and it can be controlled with the phone. So I'm going to start. It is ready. It has got a Wi-Fi control, and I will choose the parameters. So 900 watts. I'm going to cook time for about 10 minutes. Apply. Then I have placed the bowl inside, and finally after placing it inside, I am going to press send to microwave, and you can see that the microwave has accepted the order to cook it for 10 minutes. Now all I have to do is to press the start button. Will be ready in 10 minutes. It is better to observe the microwave from a distance and take out the contents and see if they are sufficiently cooking. So we'll wait for 10 minutes. 4.5 minutes have passed. One can see that the skin of the bananas is starting to brown and probably cooking. So I will press stop and see if it has cooked sufficiently. I'm handling the microwave bowl with the gloves, and when I open the lid there will be steam, so I should not have my face directly in the way. So we can see that it has started cooking, and probably it's done. The skin, which was yellow to start with, has started to become brown, and maybe we can cook it for 1 or 2 minutes more. put it in the microwave and press start again. Cooked plantains are a great dish. They are sweet, and since you are eating fruit as a whole with all the fiber content in it, it will not increase your blood sugar, it will not shoot up. Whole fruits are really good because fruits do contain fructose and glucose, but as long as they are eaten with the skin, the fiber content is there, and fiber content will support the gut bacteria. Bacteria will thrive. Diabetics and pre-diabetics can also eat small amounts of cooked. It will not increase their blood sugar drastically. I think it's sufficiently cooked. Now I'm going to stop the microwave when it reaches 3 minutes. 4, 3, 2, 1. Observing the same precautions as before, keeping it away from your face so that the steam doesn't strike you. And now you can see that it has cooked well. The peel has started to come off. So that's sufficiently cooked and it's ready to consume. So it has taken about 7 minutes to cook adequately, and now it can be eaten after it has cooled down. So try it out. Kids at home will love it. It will supply them nutrients and also a lot of fiber. It can be eaten by adults also. If you're a diabetic or a pre-diabetic, it can be eaten in moderate quantities. Half a plantain is allowed by doctors. It can be eaten for breakfast or as a starting dish, feast. It is served throughout the day in railway stations and in shops all over Kerala. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos. I'll see you in another video. Cheers. Lovely.